Good morning, beautiful souls. Happy Monday, it's Meditation Monday. It's Tim Wild here, and I am by a lake, or the lake in central Helsinki. And I'll just let you have a quick look. It's panoramic, it's beautiful. I've been out for a nice long morning walk. So yeah, just tuning in on this Monday, and I'm just on the other side of the workshop with Lovisa Alvtörn and Indra Larsson, very beautifully and kindly organised by Jenni Ranta-Kahila. And I haven't been to Finland for 4 years and I've missed it. And the energies here, they are so pure and clear and mixed with all of the frequencies that are coming in for the ascension process, but on a different level. Now, I've been approached several times in the night by an ascended master that I've heard of but never connected with, called Fencorm. And he is presenting himself as this huge ice giant, a being that works with sound vibrations and music. And this was a frequency that we had running through the workshop. We were working in the Temple of Sound in the Musiikkito, and we built our own temple, and we connected also to the Temple of Poseidon. But very much now tuning into those energies, I just ask you all to close your eyes wherever you are in the world. I expect most of you are somewhere warmer than I am. Take a few deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth, and just completely allow yourself to relax. And if you can, immerse yourself in the crispy white frosty energies that I'm enjoying here this morning. And we've got snow coming in apparently, but this master, ascended master Fencorm, some of you may know who he is, others you may never have heard of him before. He is connecting in now, and he's offering to use his sound vibrations to reorganize all of the meridians, the chakras, almost the cellular structure and the DNA of our bodies, using his personal sound vibrations. So just take a few moments to tune in as you're breathing into your heart center. Breathe out. Allow yourself to relax and become receptive. Sometimes many of us become a little bit tense when we're being approached or working with a new master, somebody that we haven't connected with before. I see Fencorm's energy rising out of the lake in front of me, and just embracing me and all of us in this beautiful, pure white and very icy blue golden dome. And within that space, within that dome, consists or exists a very specific frequency, a harmony, a sound vibration. So I'd like to invite all of you to feel that with your hearts. First of all, just take a deep breath in. Step into the dome. You may or may not see the figure, the vast figure of Ascended Master Fencorm himself. He is energetically holding space. Breathe and relax as you step, and as you do, you might feel actual physical movement of vibration as this energy that he is creating, this movement of energy and air and sound and vibration all around you. And first of all, you may feel a little bit like your fields are being disrupted, like everything's being shaken out and about. Relax into that as if you are relaxing into the wind or relaxing into the rain or getting used to a sudden change in temperature. Just let yourself flow into it. And the huge figure of Fencorm, such power but moving with such gentle grace, is now just tending to the outside of the dome. This is your own personal sound chamber in which to receive this healing. So first of all, you might feel the sudden movement of your bodies and your fields and your molecular structure and your chakras. But now he is inviting you just to sit in quiet and peace as everything realigns itself. Listening to the sound of this frequency with your hearts. And first of all of the detritus is cleared from your fields. Anything that you don't wish to be holding on to anymore, any of the, maybe you've heard news or maybe you've received information that has triggered your fields, just allow this to be vibrated out, and it literally just disappears. It moves into a higher state, it dissolves, it floats away. And feel the meridians running downwards, vertically through your body, realigning perfectly. So they hold the fifth dimensional flow of frequencies and vibration that are coming in from your higher self. Then feel all of your 15 chakras aligning with the sound vibration. This is coming in from the 7th dimension. Fencorm is stating he is a 7th dimensional master of sound and frequency and vibration. Just breathe and relax. And around the outside of the body, he is tapping chimes to just realign your fields so there's no holes. Some of us pick up holes within our aura. We may have to remove ourselves suddenly from a fractious energy. We might receive something that doesn't resonate with us. Just feel all of this being patched up, returned to wholeness, to unity and oneness. And this was an energy that Lovisa was really bringing through into the workshop. Unity and oneness. We're going to be really exploring that this year. And now Fencorm is upping the frequency, the sound and the vibration around you, but instead of distorting your fields and moving them around, this is solidifying everything that you are receiving, everything that you are now. Just feel yourself very, very grounded and aligned. Lit up, you are able to absorb and take in more light, more frequencies from the higher realms. Feel your heart smiling and all of your chakras, your 15 chakras, lit up so very brightly. And Fencorm is just saying thank you for placing your trust in him, for allowing yourself to step into the frequency and the pitch of his sound vibration. And you can return here at any time. And there are many now portals of light being set up, particularly in Helsinki in Finland, and this particular one is right directly in the centre. So just feel yourself aligning with this as this frequency begins to rise from the land, from the ley systems, from Gaia as she raises her frequency even more every day. And when you are ready, open your eyes, smile, tap your heart 3 times. You are ready to go. It's Monday morning. So I will be returning to England, with any luck, barring snowstorms today. And the next event is going to be with David and I, which will be the 1st of February, which we are going to be diving deeply into our soul paths. And I'll include the information about this workshop. David and I are very excited about this. And then on the 17th and 18th of February, I am live in person in Lymington in Hampshire, UK. And Jackie White is organising that workshop. First day is just with me, and then on Sunday I'm joined by the amazing Alice Heath, who's going to be using her rather extensive connection to the galactics and the cosmos to produce a unique day. Sending you all so much love. See you soon. Bye for now.